once worked with a leadership team where meetings were easy, long, but easy. Decisions nodded through, questions dried up. And the people in the room with the real expertise learned it was safer and easier to say yes rather than say what was right. And that wasn't because they didn't care, but because challenge had quietly become unwelcome. Over time, the autonomy disappeared, ability to make decisions out of that room evaporated. Experts were second guessed by people who didn't know, and direction was the thing that replaced debate. Then leadership started to ask the wrong question. Why are things starting to fail? But the failure didn't start with performance. It started when honesty became harder than compliance. When agreement feels comfortable, that's when leaders relax. But that's often the moment that the biggest risk is falling. I'll never forget how that felt in that organisation because it showed me how quietly leadership conditions can change outcomes. And that's the work that I'm really focusing on now.